So you've just received your all-new Adventure Skottle Windguard in the mail. I'm Bryan with Tembo Tusk, and I'm going to show you how to put it onto your Adventure Skottle. So first things first, what you'll receive in your bag are the 3 stainless steel Windguards that will wrap around your Skottle. You'll also receive 3 1/4-20 nuts. Those will go on the eye bolts that attach your legs. You also get a marketing card with Marco on it, of course. So let's go into how you install this. You're going to take your Adventure Skottle. You'll flip it over, take all your eye bolts out, and you want to fully remove them. You're then going to add your 1/4-20 nuts to the eye bolts. You want to thread them all the way down to the neck of the eye bolt. All right. Now we can start the assembly. You're going to take your Windguard and you're going to slide it on there. You're going to do 2 at a time. Now notice one side is flat while the other side has a curve. You want to put the curved side to the bottom of your Skottle. You can kind of see how they're going to fit together now. And this is why we put the 1/4-20 nut on there, because you're trying to wedge the Windguards together. Okay, so that one's in there. And so we do 2 at a time because you have the Windguards overlap onto each other. And then the last one seals it all together. Something else to note is you want the curved part to be underneath this flat flange. So over here, for example, even though this one's here first, we're going to take this and put it underneath and put it back, just like that. Let's put in our last 2 eye bolts. And then from here, if you wanted, you could take these 1/4-20 nuts and just tighten them up, just finger tight onto your Windguards here. Just like this. And now those are attached. Now you're a little more protected from the wind when you're cooking on your Adventure Skottle. If you guys have any questions, you can reach out to us on Instagram at TemboTusk, or on our website. At the bottom there's an email, info@tembotusk.com, if you guys have any questions. Thank you. One more quick thing before we head off. I wanted to note, for storage, you can also leave the Windguard attached along with the burner. If you wanted to, you can remove them and they can be stored in this pocket here. Either way, it'll all fit real nicely into the bag. Thank you, folks.